weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sandusky County and northwestern Ohio, Ottawa County and northwestern Ohio until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oak Harbor, 410 miles northwest of Fremont, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Port Clinton, Oak Harbor, Genoa, Elmer, Lindsay, Rockridge, and White Landing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ottawa, and Sandusky. Urgent weather message. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sandusky County and northwestern Ohio, west central Erie County, southeastern Ottawa County and northwestern Ohio until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pittsburgh, 412 miles north of Astoria, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fremont, Port Clinton, Bellevue, Clyde, Oak Harbor, Gibbs and Burr, Elmer, Green Springs, Lindsay, Helena, Burgoon, White's Landing, and Vickery. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, Ottawa, and Sandusky.
At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of strong thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles northwest of Fairport Harbor to 7 nautical miles northwest of Vermilion, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Huron, Moraine Harbor, Kelly's Island, and Vermilion. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Ohio.
Urgent weather message. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Port Clinton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source indicated. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage is likely to living homes and dropping down buildings. Locations impacted include Sandusky. For your protection, head to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Ohio.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lorain County until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wakeman, or 12 miles southwest of Lorain, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lorain, Avon Lake, Amherst, Avon, Sheffield Lake, Sheffield and South Amherst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Lorain, Ohio. Urgent weather message.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Conneaut to Ripley, New York. Conneaut to Ripley, New York, beyond 5 nautical miles offshore line to U.S.-Canadian border. Geneva on the Lake to Conneaut. Geneva on the Lake to Conneaut, beyond 5 nautical miles offshore line to U.S.-Canadian border until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles north of Fairport Harbor, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Erie and Ashtabula. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cuyahoga County and northeastern Ohio, Lorain County until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near North Ridgeville, or near area, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Elyria, Parma, Lakewood, Strongsville, West Lake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, North Olmsted, Garfield Heights, Avon, Palmer Heights, Rocky River, Broadview Heights, Brook Park, Beria, Fairview Park, Middleburg Heights, Bay Village and Brecksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Lorain.
The forecast for Cleveland and
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sandusky County and northwestern Ohio, Ottawa County and northwestern Ohio until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elmer, or 13 miles northwest of Fremont, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Port Clinton, Oak Harbor, Eastonburg, Genoa, Woodville, Elmer, Lindsay and Rock Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ottawa, and Sandusky.